What's good? It's your boy Rico.
You got a YouTube channel and shit?
Yeah, and I just be like doing the vlogs, and you know I'm about to go to college, so I can vlog like diving, like me getting into marine biology and shit, you know. So,
How long you been doing it for?
I really been doing it for like a couple years, but I really been on and off. I was doing gaming at first, gaming videos.
How that come?
It was just it was cool. I was just really posting for fun. Like, I really didn't give a fuck if people was watching. It was just for my enjoyment, like me and my friends playing the game. And then I stopped, and then now I just do like vlogs and shit. The LEDs are vibe, low key. I can only imagine at night though.
Yeah, it should be I'll be fucking with it because
Alright, this is me playing, but I'm probably about to be ass. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm probably gonna be the first one. I don't know. At least let me get 2 kills, bro. Or 3, I don't know. But
just don't be the first one to die.
okay. Wait, you can respawn though. So.
No, but I mean like the first one to like not be able to come back.
Oh yeah. Well, you gotta pay for that shit? Yeah. Dang, this feels weird on the see, hell no. Wait, I gotta get used to this shit. Cause I'm not used to playing on fucking Xbox. It's just the analog sticks are just smaller. That girl?
Yeah.
Damn, no type of comms, bro. Y'all ass already. Get that. How you get it? Okay. Fucks no. Run game.
Tap X.
Oh, okay. I gotta look at the controls with my bot ass.
Cause you need a gun. So go down.
Why is this nigga moaning? Oh, tap it. Ooh. Bro, this nigga took it. Ah, bye, bitch. Where?
Right, yeah, go through it.
Right there, the loadout.
Yeah, but watch out.
It's niggas gonna be there, bro. You setting me up. I play Warzone. Niggas drop loadout. You trying to set me up, bro? Look, it's niggas there.
Alright.
Bro, y'all fucking weird, bro.
Drop in the middle and just. Ooh, that nigga right there.
Damn.
Oh, you didn't see the dude to your right?
No.
Like you was right behind this man. He didn't see that. I was like,
Damn.
yeah, watch out.
Move. Fucking glass.
Oh,
That's all the fuck I got. He's
hey, fuck it, yo.
ass.
Oh, you came in second though.
Okay, with 2 kills, I'm ass. Dang, we had sweet and sour at that place, right? Soho Chicken. I did go back.
You went back?
Yeah, I went back.
About going there?
Yeah. I know I'm behind schedule, like with the uploads, but you know, college happened, so just keeping up with that shit. All the people that I met, like so far, like they're cool. Like I want to continue hanging out with them. Those niggas are funny, bro. Bro, last night I should have been recording what I was with. Bro, let me tell y'all. Okay. So we had went outside. Daylin, Shanice, and Lila. We all coming back already like giggling. Cause I was saying some shit. I was like, hey, why does low-key look like a hotel? Like, I don't know. And then everybody started laughing and shit. I'm like dead ass too. And then when we get in the fucking lobby, we just waiting for this long ass elevator because it takes so fucking long to call the elevator. Mind you, is quiet in the lobby. I'm over here facing the elevator, like trying to like hold it in my laugh and about to start laughing and shit. And then when I started laughing, I heard all of them giggling behind me, and it made it like worse. I'm like, bro, we all try to hold in our laughs. When the elevator had came, like I was walking fast, and then we all get on the elevator and we doing this. I go to the fucking corner, so he can't see me fucking laughing. Lila's in front of me doing the same thing, hiding. And then I turn around, fucking Shanice and Dalen all doing the same thing, hiding in the we all in the corner like hidden like this. Like that shit looks so fucking nah. Why was we hiding? Like, I really try not to record everything, but it's like every time I don't record, it be the most funniest shit.
Rico Nasty? No, I'm that. Cam say smoking. I call you Rico Nasty. I like it.
Oh, by the way, down, I drive fast.
You got people. Hold on, sis. You got people following you. She can handle it. Yeah, she can handle it. Keep going, keep going.
All my bitches pretty rich and thick. I think your bitch my type. I heard you got
Exactly. You got the whole pass. Did you bring it? You ain't never seen no truck race, no. Oh, I forget you from Dallas.
No, we race for real.
No, from down in Houston.
It don't matter what you do.
Used to walk around with my brother now, but I never been in no flights. I'm never just a young nigga, they tryna. Want me to